Ha! I can't believe I got this nice old pizza in this nice hotel. Pizza? But no. Oh, heck no. Pizza? Okay. Now to plug this in. Oh, pizza? No one's looking. Oh, yes. Tell me, audience, everyone likes to look at themselves naked. Pizza? Pizza? No. Pizza? Oh, cool, you ordered a pizza for us.
What kind of pizza?
Yay! No! I ordered this pizza for myself. You guys always take over just because
Johnny, what's that? What is that? No, really.
I don't really
no,
care.
No, look, the Doritos! Doritos, look at it!
I don't care.
Can you get a pack of Doritos for me?
No.
Please?
No.
I'm a Tita Bell!
There's more people in this house. It's not a house, it's a hotel. It's a nice hotel. There's no people in this hotel, though. No. I'm the one who ordered this giant pizza all for myself. That's kind of rude.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't care. We're still gonna eat it. No! That wasn't good pizza.
Yes, it was.
Dang it, there's so little left. I guess I can microwave it. Hey, you're gonna take all 3 of those pizzas?
4.
I hate you. I guess I can microwave it. What do you mean you're gonna eat the rest of that later? It's my pizza. I barely got to have. I guess I'll just eat this piece and microwave it. Oh, God.
You don't know me.
Huh? Oh, I am the microwave of microwave secrets. And if you tell me a deep, dark secret, then you will earn 3 wishes. Wishes? Chilling with a Minute Maid. Wishes? Finally, I can get to it. Wishes? Now I look at myself naked, which everyone does, but they keep it a secret. Wishes?
Wishes?
Come on, stop hogging out the wishes rag and give us some wishes. Yeah, man, we all want wishes. Wait, but come on, I found the microwave. Actually, no, I bought this hotel. Okay, I want a wish. Then you must tell me a secret, a deep, dark secret. Oh God, are you sure? This is a kids channel. No, it really isn't. You can tell any dark secret you want. Are you sure? Just tell the damn secret! Okay. This blow dryer, I was gonna put okay, we don't need to know anymore. We do not need to know anymore. No, we don't need to know. You are gross. You should be ashamed. This is really what you do? You don't have a girlfriend to do it? Yes. Okay, who's next to what to wish?
Me, big boy.
You have to tell us a secret.
Really?
Okay, you have to just tell us the secret. Everyone. Or else you won't get your wish. Come. Yeah, man, if you want a wish, you gotta tell a secret. That's the rules. Yeah, I told my secret. It was bad.
I taught to shop out of the dumpster.
Like,
when somebody feels, I'm not even poor or anything. I'm not homeless. I'm not poor or anything. But I just like to do it.
Why?
It gives it that extra flavor.
You are a sick man.
You are.
Your mama's a sick man.
Okay, so what's your wish, young weird laddie who eats out of trash cans?
You know, I always say that I'm a Puerto Rican guy, not a black guy. So don't tell me that! But for my wish, I wish I was black for a day.
Oh, sweet. I'm a black guy.
Hey, you're under arrest! You are under arrest!
Wait. What did I even do when you're in my house?
This is a hotel.
But I bought it.
I actually bought it. And plus, when I'm like, hey, no, you're right! Hang on tight! No, you're right! Hang on tight! Hey, you're black! Get out of there! Get out! Oh man,
Jumping out the window.
you're probably raping people right now. There's no window out there. Get out! Okay, you.
Hello, little Sonny, microwave.
What would you want your wish? What do you want your wish to be? But first, you have to tell a secret.
I'm Patal.
Oh, what's your wish then?
I wish that I wasn't Patal. Well, even if I wasn't Patal, I would still be Patal.
Okay, next guy or girl, someone. Wait a minute. Microwave, yeah. You had me tell a secret, but I didn't get a wish.
I'm sorry, Patal.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. Okay, I wish I didn't have any jobs, and I was free to do.
Wait, all of them?
I wish I failed all of them. Okay. I don't have any jobs. I'm naked now. Now I can finally get to my 20 accidental birth kids that I have in Tijuana. Yeah. Okay, who's the next one with a wish? Excuse me, Mr. Microwave, sir. I have a wish. What is your wish? I want my voice to change again. What do you mean? Well, because in the beginning of the show, my voice sounded like this. And yeah, sounded
Wait, little Sonny!
Oh yeah, you didn't tell a secret first. I look at myself naked. Everyone does. Okay, so what are you saying? I want my voice to change again. Cause when I started, I sounded like this. Then he sounded like this. Now I sound like this. I want another voice change. Okay. Hey, yo, where's my good? That's not a
just straight up racist.
yeah, that's not a good vote for me. Hey everybody, it's Chili. Clickbait, 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 clickbait. Oh no, Logan's in the hospital. Oh no. Oh, I'm broken again. Change it. I remember that I was with the hood on my back. I remember I was partying with the hood on my back. And then when they hit me right on, I say, no, change it. So, is this this my new voice? Yeah, it is. Okay, it's gonna be my new voice, just deeper. Barton is getting a deep voice. Okay, it's gonna be my voice? Yes. Sound emo now. I don't like it. Okay, it's gonna be my voice. It's gonna be my voice. Okay, it's gonna be my voice. Yeah. Why? Cause Byron sounds like a girl. Hey! No, who wants to be a girl? Okay, let me just.
What's wrong with you?
Honestly, girls are better than boys in behavior, but still. Okay, I'm just gonna stick with this one. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. I know it doesn't. Okay, you're getting too much running time. Get out. Okay, tell a secret. I did something with my wife. Okay, so what's your wish gonna be? That I didn't do that, because I have trauma every day.
What was that thing? That's my Susie.
Whoa, why am I a piece of pizza? Because a piece of pizza is the only thing who hasn't done anything with human beings. What? Even you, Brandy? Guilty as present. Well, looks like that's all the wishes I'm handing out today. What? No!
No!
What about me? Oh man, I knew who found it. I didn't even get it.
I remember this movie. I just want to